The wheels on the camper go round and round as we journey through the countryside, safe and sound up in the driver's seat. Let's take the lead. The horn on the camper goes beep, 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 a friendly signal to the animals we meet. Cows in the meadow, sheep on the hill, nature's. The wipers on the camper go swish, 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 clearing the rain with a rhythmic wish. Pitter patter on the roof, a cozy sound as we explore new places. All the door of the camper swings open wide, inviting us to step outside into the forest under the trees. A world of wonders as far as we please. The fridge in the camper goes hum, 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 storing snacks for everyone. Apples and sandwiches, a tastier fuel for our adventures day by. The bed in the camper goes bounce, 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 a cozy spot for a night's sounds. Under the stars, the moon shining bright, dreaming of tomorrow. In the engine of the camper starts to purr lullaby as we gently stir as we roll on. The day is done in our camper van.